Hi everyone, Anita here, more time to chalk. Let's do some DIY carrots for our spring home decor. And I'm using some white air dry compound. And if you like to decorate your tiered tray, this is a perfect project for you. Now I'm going to shape some carrots, and I'm going to do 3. And they're not going to be perfect, and they're not all going to be the same size. Now, we're going to add some little ridges on the carrots all the way around using a palette knife. Okay, so let's paint these carrots with some beautiful orange, and this is called Spiced Pumpkin. I love this color. Now, you just need to do 1 coat each. It covers it really, really well. And you guys, if you want more ideas and inspiration, go ahead and comment #VIP for my free private crafting group, and I'll send you a link. Now we're going to age this a little bit with some brown paint, and I'm using a baby wipe. I'm just rubbing along some of the sides, not fully covering the orange, and it just adds a little bit of a touch to the carrots. Now let's dry it and add some leaves for the stems. I got this little bundle at Michael's, and I thought it was perfect. So let's also put some hemp thread around it and tie a nice little bow. And I'm going to do all 3 the same. Let me know what you think, because I'm loving this. So now I'm going to take my coffee stained fabric, and I'm going to add a little bow around it. And you guys, I can't get enough of this fabric, especially when it comes to decorating for the spring. I just love it, okay? And I'm going to use some of the flowers. I'm going to put it in the back of the bow just for that little touch. I really hope this project inspires you. Make sure that you follow for more ideas. Thanks for watching. See you next time.